go. Hey, whoa, that's my chest. What's going on, y'all, man? It's your boy 300 KD. I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I know it's been a little minute, but hey, man, I ain't had no sun in a minute. No, at least enough to record. You know what I'm saying? My car just been dirty, but yeah, enough excuses. So yeah, right now I'm on my way to go wash my car. I'm gonna give y'all a update video of what I done since the last time y'all saw me, and then my plans on moving forward of what I got going on. That's what I'm gonna go do right now. Hopefully I don't put there down a little bit. So yeah, I'm just going out. You know what I'm saying? Enjoying this beautiful day. Boy, I ain't seen a day like this in a minute, dog. I have a short sleeve shirt on. Outside. Boy, I ain't did this in about 8 months. Not gonna even lie to you, boy. It's wild. Well, Washington is something else, I'm gonna tell you that. But yeah. One time. I'll come back. So yeah, man. I'm gonna put the camera back on when I get to the car wash. This baby is dirty. Yeah. This baby is dirty. But yeah. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Ooh, there go that sun. Come through, baby. Come through. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. My bad, I sound like I'm talking a little weird. Got Invisalign and all that good stuff in my mouth, a little parched. My lips a little dry, so I'm trying not to do all that good stuff too. But yeah, man, so yeah. Like I said, I could come back on, show a little bit of me washing the car. I'm most likely gonna I'm gonna go through a what's this shit called? What's shit called, man? Go through the car wash, but I'm gonna go to a touchless car wash. I don't like them damn things slapping the car, boy. That shit makes me hurt every time. I quit going through those. And I better stop going to them, but just thinking about it just bringing back nightmares and memories. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got in store, baby. Show y'all what I got coming, what's going on. Yeah, so just stick around. Alright, what's going on, y'all? Get lighting right on. Alright, boom. That's about to do what we're gonna do right now. Alright, what's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Back to the car, well, not back, but I made it to the car wash. It's pretty full right now. Let's see. Yeah, this one right here is the touchless one. Over there, but that's the self wash. Yeah, I need to go there though. I need to clean my rims too. But yeah, so I might just have to go. Oh yes, he gave up. Got tired of waiting. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this now. I just wipe him off, I guess. I should have just went to where they just wash it yourself. I didn't kind of feel like driving way over there, honestly. I ain't feel like doing that. Oh shit. So yeah, bam. Alright, after like about 20 minutes, I am finally in the wash. Jesus Christ, that took a minute. Boy, I ain't know where that long. I contemplated just going to do it myself. I should have. I'd already been done. Literally just now starting. That's wild. Look at that. Literally. Wow. Boy, I tell you what, boy. But yeah, man. It's probably ain't gonna be nothing but a few seconds for y'all. A few minutes for me. You feel me? She go. My dumb man, I left my rim cleaner at home that I use. What's called Chemical Guys. That's one I use. I left that thing at home. And it's so what's pollinated. That's why I'm gonna use the word. Bro, just for me to drive over here. Look at all that. Bro, that's just pollen from the trees and stuff, bro. It's not even dirt. That's wild. I'm just driving over here because it's just all some shit like that, bro. That's wild, man. But yeah. There you go. But yeah, let me give y'all a show y'all everything I done did since my last video. But hey, man, if you made it this far, man, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Oh, let me go this way. Yes, but I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching. Yeah, man, subscribing, y'all liking, y'all commenting, y'all going to my Instagram. I appreciate all that, dog. I really do. I really do. That's love right there. But yeah, stuff like that just motivate me, you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, let me get out here and record, dog. I'm tripping. Let me get out here and do something. Do something on camera, show y'all what I be doing. Still got a lot more to do, but yeah, here we go. So yeah, my last video. I showed y'all. I put that on. Let's see this. I still got look. I ain't never gonna get that little white thing out, man. Tripping. I just noticed that myself. But I ain't just noticed, but I'm like, damn, I still ain't got it out. I need to touch up paint too, but yeah. So another thing I did, got the LED markers again. I really wasn't gonna do a video on that. I already got a video. You need to know how to put these in for the front and the back. I'll show y'all. Well, I ain't gonna show y'all, but I already showed y'all. It's a video on my page already. You know what I'm saying? You just go down a little bit, you'll see it. I ain't got many videos, so it won't be hard to find. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I showed that video a little too, so I appreciate that. Then, oh yeah, for my caliber covers. Whew, I like them things, dog. So I got them from man, what's the name of this dude? Ronnie from CCI Caliber Covers. Good dude, man. Good business, good company. Easy put on, man. It's just magnets. Literally, it's just. I ain't even take my wheel off and I put them on. But some of you might have to, especially still got the stock rims might do that. But for me, I just slid it in, and it's literally just magnets, like right here, and then like a little clip. It just clips on there. The magnets lock on right onto your brace right there, and it's good. That thing is good, dog. And it's on there. So, and I had that for probably I say about 2 weeks now. Never took it off, and it's still on there, still sitting good. I haven't even budged. So I give them thumbs up for real. The thing is good. And since I had it on, I had a lot of people asking where I got it from already. A lot of people said they liked it. So yeah, I'm rocking with it. Only thing I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna give me like a little vinyl or something, and then stick it on the caliber, because I don't have any words come on, but get that, put it on there just to get a little bit more to it. You feel me? And then another thing I did with rear diffuser on. That one I changed the whole thing out and put this one on. But yeah, my rear diffuser, put them on. And I think these I don't even know, I think these just 2.5 or 3-inch tips. But I got some 5-inch tips. Let me show you. I actually got them in the car. I'm actually finna go put them. Nope, not the car, trunk. I'm actually finna go put them on. Get them put on tomorrow, most likely. But I plan on doing that. Still dirty. I'm sorry, this is bothering me, dog. It is so much. I literally just washed it, man. Maybe I need to get it waxed. Let me show y'all my carbon tips. Yeah, these bad boys right chill. Let's say on there. Carbon. I want to flip around. Carbon. Yeah. Carbon 5-inch tilt, boy. That's gonna look good. I got them. I ain't get them black. Kind of got them this colors so it can. Kind of want to pop a little bit more. I know what I'm saying. I know that black gonna pop, but this gonna pop too. You feel me? It's gonna just set it off back there. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on. Probably gonna do that tomorrow. Honestly, I just really haven't been having time either, so I need to make time. Just go ahead and just do that. And then yeah, man. I don't know, man. If I want to do this Chrysler up here and just debash the whole thing, I actually might keep the 300 and just keep the S, or just keep the whole thing. But I think about taking this off. I don't know. But then I get my tips back there. It's kind of the only other thing that might match with it back there. So I don't know. I might leave it on. Let's see what else. I got mats. Let's see. Got my mats installed. You know what I'm saying? Black and the blue stitching. Got my lights up under here. Let's see. When I cut them things on, yeah. Light it up. Let me see. What stuff is it? Yeah, you see that right there? Yeah. Well, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I'm going to cut that out. Yeah. It's the radio. I keep my media player plugged up on my phone and all that stuff. So I don't know what that is. Back off. So yeah. Yeah, I still got a couple things on the way. Hood. Hey. Hood, yeah. It's gotta go. It's gotta go. I hate that they did this. Like if Chrysler would've gave us the at least the RT or the Scat Pack hood or something. Yeah, man. Oof. Cause it's really, that's what we need right there. My bumper. I don't know what I want to do. If I want to try, don't get me wrong, I love the 19 and 20, 21, 2, all this, the front bumper, the appearance package. That's what it's called, the appearance package one. I love that one, but I can't find it for a good price, and I don't really want to pay the dealer price for it. So I'm thinking about just getting me some go down there at the bottom. And then, ooh, my grill shit dirty. Yep, that's why I should just go ahead and went through it, did it myself. This can change that too. Yeah. That's another reason why I think about just keeping this grill and just changing this out. Just put some on the bottom. Get the lightning trend lights in here. Yeah, that's gonna set it off. Yeah, man. That's it. Oh, and then lowering springs. So I went on. I've been looking on DC Racing. I wanted them lowering springs. But they don't have it in stock right now, actually. So yeah, they ain't got them in stock right now, actually. And they said they wasn't having them in stock till like, what's it? When they say May 31st, something like that. Or like you can pre-order them now, you know what I'm saying? I get it when I get it, but it's just like when I order something, man, I want it to come ASAP, as soon as possible. That's my problem. I want it to come as soon as possible. I am not patient in those regards. I ain't one of them people just constantly hitting somebody up like, man, where my stuff at? But at the same time, I should be wanting my stuff. You feel me? But then, yeah. See, I already know what it look like with the lights on. LED marker lights. Got that on. But yeah, if y'all on springs or something, let me know. Or if you on pullovers or bags or something, Let me know, but the only thing is, I don't think I want to do bags. And like that just because I don't know. I gotta do my research, but y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if I can drop it with these 22s with, you know what I'm saying, with the wide tires. Cause I got 285s right now, but I think I want to go bigger and go 305s. So I don't know. I just don't know if you can drop it like that with it. I know you have to at least roll the fenders. Probably have to do that anyway if I want to lure it. So yeah, so I still gotta do some more research on that, see how that go. But yeah, man, loving it. Then need to tint my front windshield. Probably go like, I don't know, 50. Probably either 50 or anywhere between 30 to 50%. I ain't doing 20, I ain't gonna do 5, I ain't doing none of that stupid stuff. That's goofy for me. And then tint my window a little darker too, cause look, you see right through it. So yeah, then you go a little darker there. I think that's like about 25 to 30%. So I want them to go a little darker. But yeah, man, that's it. Oh no, I lied. Then my tail lights, like all these lights back there. On the last time I just tinted it all. This time I don't know. I low key like the look, but I kind of feel like the blue when I put out my blue that I want to put on here, and another color that I ain't gonna tell you. I just feel that it's kind of gonna throw it off a little bit, maybe. But then maybe not, cause I be seeing other cars I don't have it and it still look good too. So I like it either way. Either way I like it, you feel me? So yeah. But also, speaking of some of these Spoker tires, give me what tires y'all running or some good tires that you recommend or something, cause it's gonna be something. I think I want to go some wide. I definitely want to go wider. I want to go some street tires. Definitely not no drag. I wouldn't put no drag pack on this. I'm not even really gonna hit the track ever, and I ain't just out here racing daily. So yeah, you just gotta let me. So if y'all don't mind, you know what I'm saying, please just let me know, and I'll see what I can find for some good prices. But yeah, man, that's it for the video. I appreciate y'all watching. Definitely made it this far. Follow me on Instagram, 300KD. Stay tuned for more videos. You know what I'm saying? More gonna be on the way. I already got one that's in the draft. That's gonna get posted up too right after this one. And then probably another one right after that, you feel me? But yeah, I appreciate for y'all watching for real. Y'all subscribing, y'all liking, y'all commenting. I appreciate that. It's love. To be honest, I ain't even think I'm not even far, but for me to even make it here, that's dope. So where I'm at, I think that's cool. So yeah, but I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all next time. You feel me?